Hey, Ben Norman here, and in today's video I want to share with you 6 proven lead magnet ideas that work time and time again. So if you're looking to create a lead magnet for your business so you can acquire leads on autopilot, then check out my go-to 6 lead magnet ideas. Idea number 1, ebooks. These work time and time again in every single industry. Really easy to create. There's so many tools like Canva and things like that offer free services where you can basically go in, create an account, check a link in the cards for a free account, and you can basically go in, create yourself free account, create yourself an ebook. They've got loads of templates you can pick from, fonts, imagery, everything. You know, you can go in, create a small ebook, create a PDF, export it, and you're done. And there's your lead magnet. All looking really professional. You can create them in a matter of hours. Like I say, if you want to get yourself a free version of Canva, then check out a link in the description below. And let's get on to idea number 2. Private videos. So these work the same as normal videos, however you kind of put them behind the email sign up, so you get access to that person's email address and you're able to communicate with them. They get access to a private video that is locked down, that helps them solve a problem, goes into something in more depth. It might be a longer training video. You know, the same as creating any other video, you're just basically putting it behind that email sign up, and there you go. Idea number 3, mini courses. You can do these with videos, so same as idea number 2, you just put it behind the email sign up and you have a new video released every couple of days, every week, whatever you set. I love using ClickFunnels for this. You can use loads of their free templates to set up automated release for emails. You could do this via something like Klaviyo using a workflow. So you'd set up emails to go out every other day, every week, whatever you want. So you could have this mini course done in email format. You can have it done in video format, whatever your choice. But it works really good because instead of just like a one-off thing, people feel they're getting this actual training course. You know, it might be something that you've charged for previously, that you've kind of put in how much you'd normally charge and then marked it down free for a limited time only. And also, the good thing with mini courses and things like that, it prepares people to getting used to getting emails from you on a regular basis that they need to look out for in order to open to go back into the course. So that when the course is done, they're still going to be kind of keeping an eye out for your emails because they're used to kind of looking out for them, seeing them and opening them. So it can kind of increase your open rates as well. Idea number 4, checklists. These can be really cool, really quick to create. Again, link in the description, head over to Canva, check out their free plan. They have loads of already pre-designed templates that you can use, put your logo on, update a few things, just make the checklist useful to the audience that you're trying to attract, because people love to download, you know, if people don't really know what they're doing, or people are looking to kind of fill in the gaps, they're looking for help with something in particular, checklists are great for this because it gives them just like almost like a one-page document that they can kind of go through, tick all the boxes, and they're done. So they are really, really super simple to create. Like I said, Canva has already got a load of pre-designed stuff in lots of different industries. For example, if you were doing kind of like a food plan, for example, they would have a template for food plan. You can change the imagery, the backgrounds, the logos, you know, update calorie requirements, whatever you wanted to do, make it your own, download it as a PDF, again, put it behind your email sign up, and you've got your own checklist in a matter of minutes. So again, Canva link is in the description. If you don't have a free version of Canva, why do you not? It is so crazy, it's totally free. So before we get on to the next idea, I'd love to know, have you tried lead magnets before? Have you tried creating them, utilising them for your business to create more leads? If you have or haven't, just drop me a yes or no in the comments below and let me know, and let's get on to the next idea. Idea number 5, templates. So anything that you can template. So it might be a CV template. It could be a how to do this template, something that, a bit like the checklist, but more of an expanded version. People fill in the gaps. Again, it's just something that can be created really, really quickly in something like Canva. You know, I mean, you can do this yourself in Word or whatever package that you have. The beauty, I know it sounds like I'm going on about Canva quite a lot, but the beauty with it is there are so many templates in there that you can basically just take and very quickly make your own, add your bit of content in there, and you're done. You know, and with a lot of these things, it's about speed of creating. You don't want to be going through like a week, 2-week process where you're having to outsource all of this design to an external freelancer, which is going to cost you a lot of money and a lot of time, when you can put something together very quickly. Even if you use it to test the idea to make sure it's going to work, then you can build on that lead magnet over time. And idea number 6 is something that's getting used more and more often depending on what industry you are in, and that is case studies. Yes, believe it or not, people will give you their email address. If you have got a really good case study in a certain industry, people will gladly give you their email address to get access to that case study and basically check it out for themselves. Now, a lot of people just freely put their case studies on their website, and they are missing a trick here, because depending on what your industry is like, you are able to put these case studies behind an email sign up, and that way you know that if somebody is downloading that case study, it is going to be of value to them. So that lead that you're going to get from that case study, you know, depending, you know, if that's the industry you work in, is very, very valuable for you. So again, case studies can work really, really well. So I'd love to know what you use, what your kind of go-to is for creating lead magnets. Have you tried different things? What have you found has worked better for you overall with lead magnets? So if you've liked this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video.